How's it going, everyone? This is the unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the new cosmic orange color. This is a 512 gigabyte variation, although it doesn't really matter which memory variation is, they're all the same. We're gonna unbox this. So I'm gonna take the tabs right off on the bottom right here first, and this is gonna be my first impression seeing the cosmic orange for the very first time. We're gonna go ahead and just pull that off, and ooh, okay, wow, okay, two-tone on this, which is very cool. Actually, it's a really nice orange so far. All right, we'll take that off first, and I'll quickly show you the inside. We do have a USB-C cable, and this is a braided USB-C to USB-C. There you go. So if you really care about that, and it's most likely it's a 3 feet one. I'm not going to unravel it fully, and that's the unboxing of what's the rest in there. Let's have a look at the phone itself, though. Wow. Okay, so we do have the aluminum, feels really nice and smooth, and then we have the glass on the back right here, and that's like the different two-tone right there. But they're actually, it's actually very nice of a orange color. It looks a little bit darker, probably I would say, than the pictures show, but still very, very nice. We look on this side right here, we can see that camera switch, the touch sensitive camera switch, your on and off button right there, and top, we've got, I guess that's the built-in antenna, I think it is. I can't remember exactly, but I think it's the built-in antennas. This side, we have your kind of action button, your mute on and off switch, more antennas right here, volume up and down, and you can see no SIM card slot on this side. It's fully eSIM'd now. Let's go ahead and unravel this right here. And we can see that beautiful 6.9 inch display on there. There's your bottom with the speaker port and all that good stuff down there, but the main thing is that the difference on the top right there with that camera, you can see how they've got that kind of double bulge right there, which is definitely a lot different. Very, very nice. The 3x 48 megapixel camera on there. And a quick comparison to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I've got the black 16 Pro Max right here, and you can see the difference in the backing as far as the camera goes. We can get that triple camera in the 17 Pro Max with that outer kind of shell, so it looks a lot different compared to the 16 Pro Max. So that's your main difference. Other than that, the size-wise of the phones is very, very similar. Actually, I would say the 17 Pro is a little bit more rounded around the edges. I like that kind of curvature rounding, where this is, it's a little bit more sharp. I mean, it's still round, but not as much as the 17 Pro Max. So very good. That's your fully unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange.